Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today we got a quick little fun video for you. We're going to be reviewing the Braun Slim Mechanics Light from Harbor Freight. Hit that intro. Now, I've been checking this bad boy out for some time, and I figured because they got the 4th of July sale going on, I'd pick it up. Got the 25% off coupon, got this bad boy. I think it was $39.99. I think I got it for 28 bucks. It's very slim, flexible. I love it's got the articulating head, 90 degrees either way, and also it rotates. So my problem is anytime I'm underneath the truck changing the oil, you lay your light down, first thing it does, it flops the wrong way. So this bad boy, you can stick it on the oil pan, hit that light, you know, and you're good to go. And you can swivel it and rotate it any way you want. On the package it says it has 390 lumens, rechargeable lithium ion battery, works up to 11 hours and 39 minutes. You can see the beam from 66 feet away. It's kind of funny. 180 degree articulation of the head. Also 45 degree rotations back and forth. It has 3 modes. We have high, low, and then you have the one on the tip there here. So high is 390, low is 109, and the flashlight tip is 52 lumens. The high beam, it says you can see at 66 feet away. The low beam, the 109 lumen, you can see 36 feet away. And then the end flashlight, the 52 lumen, you can see 26 feet away, supposedly. It's pretty bright. And then, of course, it has the magnetic tip. You can stick it to anywhere on your truck or car that you'd like. And, of course, it is rechargeable. It does have the plug-in, the micro USB, or not micro USB, just a standard, you know, like your cell phone, like your Android plug-in, same thing. This does glow red, and then it's fully charged, it does turn green right here. What's nice about this thing, if you have extra 18, what's the number here? The battery is removable, and it is 18650 cell. So if you have other 18650 cells or a charger for these, you can just pop it out and pop a new one in. You don't even have to charge it through the tool itself. So that's handy that the battery is fully removable. And you can order these on Amazon for freaking cheap. Front position. Messes up the camera there. That's the low. And then you can see the end right there. That's the little 52 lumen tip. Alright, let's go over the truck. I'll show you exactly how well this thing works. It does come with instructions and a little charging cord as well. Oh, stats real quick on it. It's 13.5 inches long and it's 1.38 inches in diameter. Aluminum housing. Looks like it'd be pretty durable. We will see. Now, it isn't that crazy dark out yet. Let's turn the light on. And you can see that it lights up the engine bay pretty well. You see down in there. I like that it's slim so you can get it down in tight places. best part is it's magnetic. You can stick it and pivot wherever you want to. You clip it on the truck. Oh my god, that magnet is strong. You hear that? Turn it on, light up your battery. There you go. Clean your battery. You're all set. So that's the high. That's the low. This magnet is actually really freaking strong. It's good because you can get way back in there. And you see those back spark plugs? You're good to go. You know, 28 bucks? Not bad. That little tip, I guess you could be useful to get down in the little cracks and crevices. And you see, ooh, what's down here? So, I mean, it lights up a small area. I mean, it's only 52 lumens, but you need to see what's down there. And with an 11-hour runtime, you can work on your car, truck all day long and not have any issues with it going dead. Hope you liked that quick little rundown of the Braun Slim Mechanics Work Light. It's been crazy hot here in Minnesota. I'm talking like 85 degrees and 80% humidity. And I've been trying to finish this angle grinder video comparison between the new Milwaukee 6-inch and the DeWalt Flexible, but every time I try to, it's just 1,000 degrees and I'm just sweat to death because I'm chubby and out of shape. But I got that coming. I'm actually backlogged. I have probably enough to do 20 or 30 videos, backlog tools. I have so much stuff, but so little time. That's my problem, guys. So stick around. I mean, I have enough tools to do videos for the rest of the year, essentially. I just don't have time to do them. You know, with 3 kids working full time, I'm sorry. So hang in there with me, guys. I got a lot of good videos coming out. It's just going to take me a little bit of time. It's hard to get out here and work when it's freaking over 100 degrees. The humidity is just disgusting. It's been raining nonstop for 2 weeks, essentially, in Minnesota. Gross. 80% humidity. Just yuck. Anyways, I like this. I don't know what the longevity of it, but for 28 bucks, who really cares? You know, it gets in those tight places, and I really like the magnet on the bottom. So let's see how it holds up after I do a couple oil changes and you get some oil and a bunch of nasty stuff all over it. I'll have to do a follow-up video in 6 months to see if it's still working or if it bit the bullet. The proverbial bullet. Alright, everyone. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a blessed day. See ya!